From last year, average sales have increased by 28.5%, the average price by 17%. In Mississauga, the number of sales was 1,044 units. The average price, $1,019,325. The average selling price versus list price was 104%, and the average days on market was 12 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 1,104 units. The average price, $1,012,039. The average selling price versus list price was 103%, and the average days on market was 11 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 386 units. The average price, $1,437,986. The average selling price versus list price was 103%, and the average days on market was 12 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 279 units. The average price, $1,035,349. The average selling price versus list price was 105%, and the average days on market was 10 days. For Burlington, the number of sales was 325 units. The average price, $1,149,989. The average selling price versus list price was 105%, and the average days on market was 12 days. Thanks for watching this month's market report. If you are planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, give us a call, 905-334-5883.